Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, let's talk about how to play Snapchat games with friends. This is for iPhone and Android 2025 tutorial. Now to do this one, of course, you need to make sure your Snapchat is up to date first. By going on the App Store, looking for the App Store right there, and just typing in here Snapchat on the search bar. So let me just do it here, Snapchat. Just making sure everything is up to date. This is the first step for everything. As you can see right there, there is a pending update on my end. Now I'm gonna leave it as it is first, so I can move on for the tutorial, but please update this one. Now open up the Snapchat right here, let me just look for it, perfectly right there. And basically go to chats, alright? I'm currently on my chats right now. So in here, just select a chat. For example, I'm gonna select this one. Under inside the chat, under here on the emoji icon, there should be a game section. For example, under here under choices, there should be a game section. Now if you can find it on your end, for example, go back in here and go to your account. Go to settings and look for the one that says help my center or help center. In here, just simply type in games on the required search bar. Just wait for it to load up. So in here, I'm just going to type in games right there. And as you can see right here, there should be a topic about how to create an account, or this one right here. What is Snapstar? Just basically in here, just ask everything you want about games, and I'm sure moving forward, Snapchat will help you with this one. Give it a good 2 business days, and it will now work moving forward. Alright? So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.